They're like, yeah, go ahead and try. They'll tell the old gods. I am an old god. Yep. Sometimes I gotta tell on myself to myself. I like to see what kind of trash people leave behind. Sometimes it's valuable. Oh man, I forgot. I found those sunglasses here. I wonder if, I don't think they're still in that bag though. Yeah, I found some pretty cool sunglasses one day. Nobody was on the beach when I found them. And I put them somewhere in the car. But I've got 2 pairs I don't wear. They're called Island Sunglass Club. So I'm an ambassador for them, but I haven't really been out wearing them to send them any photos, but I still have them, so I've never even worn them because they're like, you know, they're above Washington. So they'll stay home. And then I got my generics 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the other pair that I found. And I didn't even look those up to see if they were even valuable, but it's not like I'm trying to sell them or boast about them anyway, you know. But it's just treasures. I like finding treasures. People coming in so they can light fires where it says no fires. And then let's see, looks like new graffiti. Mom, Gino-san party. Mandam, Linda was here, Karen, Mom.